Now in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. How to solve this problem by using the solid software. The problem reads as a pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on HP such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degree with HP and perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests appears to be inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. So to solve this problem, first we'll go for the solid edge screen. So this is the default screen of the solid edge wherein you are going to have a sheet which is of A2. Now first I need to change it to A4. To do that, take the cursor to the sheet 1 and right click and then click on sheet setup. So come down to the background sheet and make this background sheet as A4 and show background. I don't want to show any background. You disable it and say OK. Now the sheet will going to shrink from A2 to A4. Then you just fit this for the display. Now I need to type the problem. So to do that, first I will go for the text and here we will have the solid edge ISO. Now come down to the Times New Roman, you take this as Times New Roman and then you take the font size as 4 and enter. Now you place the cursor wherever you want and then you start typing it. A pentagonal lamina, having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on HP. Corners on HP such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degree by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and relieve it. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and relieve the Alt key. So I type degree 30 degrees to HP. Okay. Then 30 degrees with HP and 30 degree with HP and perpendicular bisector to the edge of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests appears to be inclined at 30 degrees to VP. 30 degree by holding the Alt key, type 0176. Alt key 0176. We are not getting it. Alt 0176. 30 degrees to VP. So here I will take 30 degrees to VP. Draw the top and front views. Of the lamina. So then right click. So go to sketch, click on move, disable copy. You select this and place it wherever you want. So this is the first step what I need to do for creating the drawing. Now I need to construct a pentagon of having 25 mm edges. To do that, first I will go for IntelliSketch. Here you click on endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled and all other options you make it disabled. Then you go to line command, go to line width and make it 0.05. Okay. Then first I will go for line. I want 25 mm. Pentagon I want to write 25, angle is 0. Then 25 and enter angle 72. Then you take 25, enter angle 144, enter. Then 25, enter angle 144 plus 72, which is 216. Then you take 25, angle is 288. Now I want to write the perpendicular bisector. So to do that, I will click on the midpoint. I will go for a line command. Take endpoint of this to midpoint of this. Enter. Now you remove midpoint. Then go to select by holding the shift key. Select all these 5 lines. Okay, and make that it as a group. Sorry, make it as 0.5 and make that as a group, and again you click on this, okay, and accept it. Now I need to rotate this and keep it on the vertical position. So to do that, I will go for rotate command, select by removing the copy, I select this and you make this horizontal to become vertical, okay, like this. Then you go to move command, select this and place it wherever you want. Now to this I will draw a horizontal line from any one of these positions. Okay. Then come down to zoom window. Then go to line, draw a line from endpoint to till here. Similarly from endpoint of this till here. Then from endpoint of this till here. Okay. Then go to trim. Trim by holding the first button of the mouse, you drag this, and then here and then here. Now you go to select this line and make this as 0.5. Okay. Then you go to split this line till here. So now we have the different points. Now I will go for text and take the font size as 3, okay, and you mark these points. Small letter A, then you have B, then you have C, D, E, and then yeah. Similarly, you take A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash, then you have E dash, then you have M dash. Okay, right click. Then go to fit, then go to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy, you take A dash and keep it here, then you take B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash, then you have E dash, then you have M dash. Okay. Once you do that, now I will go for fit, then go to line, draw a line from here on this side, and then you go to zoom window, okay, then go to text, put the caps lock on, type capital X, here it is VP and here it is HP, okay. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want, VP and then HP. Similarly, go to zoom window, then come down to move, take A, then you take M, then you take E, then move B, then D, then you have C. Okay. Now, then come down to this, go to split. Okay, split is already done. Then go to group, select this line and this line, accept it. Then go to move, enable copy, select this and move it to the next position. come down to Y, make it 0. So place it wherever you want. Then he says it is resting on one of its corners on HP, such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degree with HP. So you go to rotate, select this line and take end point of this to end point of this and make the rotation angle as 30 degrees and keep it top. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then you take end point of this, then you have the end point of this, then you have the end point of this. Okay, sorry. Then you have a line, take end point of this. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two. Similarly, you go to line and take the end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then you take end point of this and similarly from the end point of this. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this line and this, between this line and this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. And go to trim corner between this line and this line. Now once you do that, now you go for line command, draw a horizontal projector line like this. Then go to line, take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this and end point of this like this. Then go to split, split this line till here, then split this line till here, then split this line till here. Now you go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen and go to select. Okay, you select all these 5 lines. Okay, and you make that as 0.5 and make this as a group and you select this line and this line together. Right click. Now we have the second position, top view, return. Now you go to move, first disable copy, you move this here first. Okay. Now you go to enable copy, select A and keep it here. Sorry, first we will do it for the front view. So go to move, take A dash and then E dash, then M dash. Then similarly B dash, then D dash, then C dash. This is the front view. Now we come to the top view. Then go to move, take B and keep it here, then C, then D, then E, then M. Okay. Once you do that, now you go to fit. Now you go to move, enable copy, you select this and copy to the next position. Then what I need to do, it appears to be inclined to VP at 30 degrees. So then you go to rotate, take this position, take end point of this to end point of this and make the rotation angle as 30 degrees. Okay, and click it here. Now you go to move, disable copy, you select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to copy, move, you take A, then you take B, then you take C, then you take D, then you take E, then you take M, go to fit, zoom window, go to line, draw a horizontal projector from here, Then draw a vertical projector from A and also from E, and go to trim corner between these two. Similarly, line to take from B dash and D dash. Go to trim corner. Then go to line, take end point and go to trim this here, and go to line, take end point to this end point, to this end point, to this end point, to this end point. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window, go to split this line till here. Okay. Now you go to select by holding the shift key. You select these 5 points, 5 lines, and make it as 0.5. Okay. Then you go to split this line till here. Then go to select and delete this line. And now you go for the text. Here you start typing A dash, then it will be B dash, then it is C dash, then it is D dash, then it is E dash. Okay. And here you write capital Y. Then go to move, disable copy, select this and keep it here. Then A dash, then E dash, then D dash, then B dash, then C dash. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this. Then go to select this line and this line and make it 0.13, which is the XY line. Now we go for dimensioning. To do that, go to style, click on ISO, click on modify, come down to general, you make it black. Okay, then come down to units, you make this up to second decimal point and go to text, make this as Times New Roman, and then the font size as 3, and go to lines, dimension line width as 0.1 and say OK and apply. Now we go for distance between this line and this line. You go to select this and make it nominal, so you get 25. Then go to angle between this line and this line, you are going to get 30. Similarly, angle between this line and this line, you are going to get 30. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for the given problem. How do I know that my problem is right? Even in the final position, you can see that the corner is resting on HP. The perpendicular bisector appears to be inclined to VP, so obviously you have a apparent inclination, and the corner is resting on HP, and the surface is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, and it is a pentagon of 25 mm side. Since we have considered all the data which was given in the problem to write the solution, and hence our problem is